Hey guys, we're going to cover a very high yield USMLE concept, and that is going to be lung sounds. The two lung sounds you have to know that are lower airway are going to be crackles and wheezing. Crackles represent fluid or fibrosis of the alveolar air sacs, whereas wheezing is going to be a little bit more in the respiratory bronchioles. And wheezing is primarily going to be an expiratory sound that is going to represent turbulence of air as the air is going out from the alveoli across the narrowed hypertrophied respiratory bronchiole.